Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sanskriti. Okay. Beta, all the
Ma'am,
three.
it is combined class.
It is a combined
Good
class.
morning.
Good morning. All the three sections are there, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Keep the cameras on, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Excuse me, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bacha. Say it.
Ma'am, can you please explain the norms of democracy?
Okay. This is Saksham.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll do that. Don't worry. I'll do that. Let everybody be there in the class. Huh?
Ma'am, today what we will do?
As it is a combined class, we'll do geography, something related to the map, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so we have to mark the places in class only.
No, I think it was homework.
What you can do is, you all take notebooks with you. Questions, I'll be asking you question one by one. You need to answer those questions, right?
Ma'am, which type of questions?
Question based on the map skill,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
We have to write the question and answers. Ma'am, we have to write the question answers in the copy.
Yes.
Or we play orally.
Answers you will write in the notebook. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in geography notebook.
No,
Good
no.
morning, ma'am.
In a rough notebook. You all can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
And we can very well see it.
To in rough.
Do it in the rough notebook. It is just for your knowledge. Map. Okay.
Ma'am, what we have to do? Can you explain?
So tell me one thing.
World map
Shall I start with the geography chapter in all the three sections? Who is drawing this line? Teach me also how to draw. Yesterday I was struggling with this line part. Erase.
Ma'am, there is a pen made on the screen.
Huh?
Ma'am, you have to click the pen.
pencil thing made on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Small
is using
circle.
desktop, not mobile.
See this.
No,
Ma'am is
in
using
mobile
desktop,
also.
not mobile.
I have
No,
clicked.
it has in mobile also.
बेटा ये
And you
line
have to click on view options and then
यहाँ
annotate.
मुझे बताओ ना कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं प्लीज बच्चे.
Ma'am, on view options
Ma'am,
Anu, there is a pencil. You have to click over there and then you will top. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ये सब लोग क्या स्क्रिबलिंग कर रहे हो? मत करो प्लीज. रिमूव इट. Erase. Instead of teaching your teacher, you people are scribbling, making the screen dirty. Huh?
Ma'am, you will teach us all. Ma'am, you will teach us in ma'am geography also.
Yes, geography and civics.
Ma'am, this thing can only be done when you are working from phone.
Acha, with laptop it is not possible.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, it is possible.
Laptop.
Okay. No, even on the laptop.
Click on more icon.
See these
Ma'am,
icons.
we have to.
Tell.
It could be make in the laptop, but it is true.
Yes.
Click on more
got
icon,
it.
I guess.
Draw line. Now stop scribbling.
Ma'am, first.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes, bacha, ask please.
Ma'am, we have to draw this map in our notebook.
No.
Ma'am, we don't have to draw, we have to paste.
Wait.
Ma'am, first you have to go to the text and then you will switch on the annotate option. Ma'am, then
Annotate.
ma'am icon will.
I have in my this thing. I need to.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, is
Ma'am,
it switched on?
ma'am,
And
upon
go to
the
the top one and click on view options.
On view options. There is no view option.
You can open this file in Adobe Reader.
Acha, in the docs I can open it. Okay, just a second. Open docs.
Ma'am, what you want to do with the
Not
map?
in docs. Not in docs. That's Adobe Reader. You have to download
Where?
the file. This.
We have to open the map in the Adobe.
Just open the Zoom.
Open.
Ma'am,
Just a second.
open Zoom.
Just a second. Just a second.
Zoom is already open.
Ma'am, you can take the picture board.
I can take the.
Ma'am, you can make here, ma'am, that there is icon of highlight near that bold, italics and underline.
It is there. It is there.
Ma'am, but that icon will only work.
That's
I'm
not
not on
MS
the
Word,
laptop.
that's docs.
Chalo, let it be. Let it be. I am not getting that. What to do? Chali, let it be like this only.
Ma'am, near that A icon, ma'am, there is.
This one.
Ma'am, you can take the
No, ma'am,
picture to MS
here,
Word
ma'am,
and
which
you
was-
can do whatever you want to do in
Acha,
MS Word.
this also I can try. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, you can click that download button.
Fine. Got it.
Ma'am, you
Got
can
it.
click that download button.
Ah, beta, I got it. Thank you. Thank you. We'll start with the new chapter of geography. That is first chapter, right, children? I think with only one section I started with the chapter, right? Right?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
so we will not
Yes,
do map work.
No, this we will do. I want the cameras on, children.
okay, ma'am.
We will do the map wala thing also, but first thing that we are going to do is I'll start with the chapter and we'll slowly I'll be discussing certain things with you. Okay, Karan,
Then we will not want to ask the question.
you want me to complete civics chapter first?
Ma'am, please start geography.
Geography is little interesting. No, civics will be too boring for you people at this
Ma'am,
time, after having your breakfast and everything.
Ma'am, we can read one chapter first and then we can start with other.
But civics, I think civics chapter I have started with all the 3 sections.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. First lesson is very small.
With all the 3 sections, a small portion only I have started. So let us continue with civics only, okay? Right, class?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
You need to have your civics books with you for that.
Sir.
Okay. Coming to the recapitulation part, with you all, I have discussed. With 9th B, I have started civics. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, very much introduction we have, I think, started, but not the chapter.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
With other 2 sections also, introduction part only we have done. Reading part we have not started. Okay.
Ma'am, you have told to do the map.
You have told to do the map.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so which subject we are doing now? Ma'am, geography, map skill, or
Civics.
ma'am, civics?
Only civics we are doing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
How is Anoki doing?
Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ji bache.
ma'am, please tell ma'am which is the one civics book.
Because civics book is democratic politics part 1 and geography
Okay.
is the one which Siddhant is holding in his hand. Siddhant, show. Yes.
Ma'am, NCRT one.
Contemporary India first part. We have NCRT only now. No other publishers. Only NCRT publishers. Okay. Shall we start?
Okay.
Ma'am, but ma'am, why this year, ma'am, our books is only of NCERT?
Because class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, we focus on NCRT books only. Everything is from
And
the
ma'am,
Yes, Abhi.
ma'am, CBSE new rule also came. Ma'am, from 6 to 8 also NCRT books will be used.
Yes, yes, exactly. This is history book, Abhinath. This is history book. Very good.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Abhinath, you have put? We'll start with the first chapter. First chapter is what is democracy? Why democracy? Okay.
Ma'am, this is second.
No. So whatever it is, but it is the first chapter in the new books that you people have. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
It is the second chapter. Yes.
Ma'am, why every day, ma'am, activity period has an arrangement?
Because we cannot go for activity in the physical classes. No, we cannot go for activity in the virtual classes. Can we go?
Divyansh can
Yes,
go.
ma'am.
Time we
And we will
Can be a break.
video and switch off the audio and we will go down and
Suspended and we will play at our home.
I know that. I know, bache, I know. But I am not the right person
we
to
can
be
play.
asked this question. No? Yes.
Ma'am, there is one more way.
this message to the management.
Ma'am, there is one. Ma'am, school has made a. Ma'am, school have to make a rule to download Ludo King in every mobile phone, and then we will click ma'am in 6 groups.
Yes.
You should play PUBG.
So this
not,
suggestion you people can give.
no.
No, we cannot give. See, Anuki, they have suggested ideas in their brain. Isn't it?
Ma'am, you can convey this to the management.
Yes. Let us come to the
Ma'am,
topic.
we will-
Huh?
Contemporary. Ma'am, we will democracy in the contemporary world.
We will do civics. That is democratic politics. Okay.
May I read?
Hey, reading part, wait.
Ma'am,
Okay.
the world.
What, Sanidhya?
Such a big chapter.
No, it is a very short chapter. See, in this chapter, you know,
Ma'am, 20 pages.
don't count the pages, my dear. Don't count the pages. See, in this chapter, we will be reading exclusively about the features of democracy. Okay. In the previous classes, we discussed that what is democracy, right? And in the coming topics, we'll be discussing why democracy only. Okay. So we'll be reading about the features of democracy. When we talk of the features of democracy, there are certain basic features that we need to stick to, right? You have your notebooks with you?
Ma'am, notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, notebooks.
Ma'am,
Civics notebook, if you have not made, it is fine. If you have the notebooks, open your notebooks. I am giving it to you in the writing on the board. Write down these features, okay? And then I'll explain. In the fair notebooks. Yes, children, in the fair notebooks.
Ma'am of civics. Can we make the
Civics notebook, yes. Both side ruled notebook.
Yeah, ma'am. Register for that, ma'am. Can we make?
Now what we have to do?
Ma'am, we have to make a thin notebook or a 175 page notebook.
175 page notebook.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can we make registers? Both side rule registers.
Both side rule for history and for civics as well. Economics also.
Ma'am, I am saying, can we make the registers?
Registers don't make, please. Only notebooks. Registers will become too heavy to carry. Okay. Okay, when we say democracy, children, when we say
Do
democracy,
we have to write this?
yes,
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
you can write just for the basic knowledge part. When we say democracy, we say a form of government, right, where it is most prevalent form of government most prevalent form of government, then people are the rulers.
Ma'am, we have to write the things that you are writing on the board in our notebooks.
Yes, yes. What I am writing, you need to write down. Note it down.
अभी का देखा ना
Done?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming to the features. Do we need to define democracy or you will write on your own? Shall I write it on the board? Definition of democracy?
Yes, ma'am, write it.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, this first we can write in rough, then we will figure it out.
It is completely your choice, my dear.
Ma'am, please wait.
Ma'am, and margin need to be drawn.
Margins are to be drawn, yes. Everything the way you people have been doing. Okay.
Ma'am, but I have not drawn.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am, very much.
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No issues, no
Yes,
issues.
ma'am.
No issues.
Ma'am, now we can hear.
Now you can hear? Because when I am
Ma'am,
writing,
now we can hear.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I'm writing, I'm not saying anything right now, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम डिसीजन मेकिंग की बात क्या लिखा है?
Beta, your voice is not clear, Krishna.
मैम डिसीजन मेकिंग के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Decision making power must rest with the fine.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you just get aside?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, can you tell what is written after must?
Must rest with those elected
Okay,
by
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, must rest.
rest, rest, yes. So these two pictures written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, can we do on a notebook of 180 pages?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please read out the second point of features?
I'm done.
Okay. Both the features or only second one?
Ma'am, second one.
Second one is in a democracy, democracy must be based on free and fair elections where those currently in power have a fair chance in losing.
Okay.
Fair chance of losing, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. These two features have you people written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have not completed the second one.
Shall I rub
Ma'am, please read.
this upper portion? Shall I rub?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the heading is not visible.
The upper part is not visible. Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it in a democracy each?
Yes. In a democracy, then we have a comma over here.
Ma'am, now second feature is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
So you write the second one first, third one, and put up the cap.
Ma'am, we have taken screenshot of second one.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am, have you written the third one?
She is right.
Ma'am, what is the third point?
Writing, beta, writing.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Yes, please speak up.
Ma'am, what do we understand by the second statement?
Beta, I will explain all these features. First, you write down, then I'll explain. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how we have to make margins in our notebook?
Beta, your notebook is like this now. Center part. Already you have a margin on the left hand side. You need to draw a finger distance and a margin on the right hand side. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, it is compulsory.
Pardon? What did you say, beta?
Ma'am, it is mandatory.
If you can leave one finger space without writing, then don't draw. If you cannot, then you have to draw.
Okay, ma'am, we will draw.
The third point is not visible. Point is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
my voice is
And ma'am,
breaking.
another teacher's
Ma'am,
voice
voice
is
is
coming.
not breaking.
No, it is okay. Actually, two teachers are sitting in one room and taking the class. That is why the confusion is there. Okay. Now comes the next feature.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, these are all the 4 features that I have given you. I think the class, how much time is left? Hardly 3 minutes are left. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
All have done? Carry on.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Yes.
The fourth
ma'am,
point.
done. Yes, ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, these are notes.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done.
Bolo beta. All have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
You need to keep this written work in your notebooks so that later on when I start the explanation part, no, every day 1 or 2 features I will be explaining you along with the case studies that we have in the chapter. It is very important that you should know these features, and after that when we are reading the chapter, when I am explaining you the case studies, in that case you will better understand through these features. Okay, you'll be able to relate what I am
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
and what you are,
Okay, ma'am.
what you have written, right class? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
got
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Something? Yes, Arihan?
Okay, ma'am.
Nothing.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, please get side, ma'am. Ma'am, writes. We have to write. Ma'am, last line. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, tomorrow we will do